And we're back. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing okay, doing great. Because here in the Philippines, it's ECQ again, season 3, and it's already September. Happy Burr months. I hope everyone, your families, your friends, and you yourself are doing okay. But anyway, we are going to unbox something new today. Unbox something new again. So, ta-da! So this is the Cz P10F Striker Fired full-size polymer pistol. So we would like to thank Sir Ron Taruk of Reloader Guns. Thank you so much for the very smooth and fast transaction, sir. Sir Ron Taruk, thank you so much. Processing niya is very, very fast. 7 days. To be exact. 7 days lang, and we already we already got the unit. So let's start. Are you ready? Stand by. Okay. Ay, makabaliktad. So here, let's open. Let's see what's inside the box. Wala yung ma-open. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's start with, yes, the cleaning brush and the cleaning rod. There you go. Let's open. We also have 2 back straps. So this one is large, and this one is medium. So I think we have 3 back straps in all, because there is 1 installed, and I assume it's the small one in the unit. And then we also have here the Allen keys. There you go. Allen keys. This is for the optics or the sight, since this unit is already optic ready. What else? The registration and stuff. There we go. We also have the warranty certificate. I haven't read this, but again, we have to read this. It's not for design. The safety manual or instruction manual. English. Okay, there you go. And then, let's go to the unit. There's magazine. Safety first. Chamber clear. Empty magazine. Right? There you go. So again, this is the Cz P10F. Other side. There you go. So this is already optic ready. See? I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is where you're going to use the Allen keys that is already included inside the box. There we go. 1, 2, 3. And one more thing, it has, just give me a second. It has iron night sights. There you go. It is glow in the dark. the front and back serrations. Oh, look, oh, it's super aggressive. It's aggressive look. And also the slide lock, this one, the slide lock and slide release is already ambidextrous. There you go. And on the other side here, also the magazine release, as you can see here, if you are left-handed, this is interchangeable. You can uninstall this one and then put it on the other side here. There you go. Also has the accessory rail. Look at it. It also has the thumb rest. Tama ba? Thumb rest. Here. This one. There we go. Thumb. So there. Tomorrow we are going to break this in maybe around 200 rounds, and then maybe for our next video we could compare the Cz P10F with our Glock 17, because both of them are full size. So see you tomorrow. Good morning! Andito na kami sa range. But it's too early. Wala pa yung range assistant. So, siguro mga 30 minutes before we start. There's no setup yet. Wala pang tao. I'm not sure if you can see. Pero wala pang tao. Later! 5 rounds of Cz P10F. Fighting! Mic checking. No. So, ayun, magi-initial impressions lang tayo sa Cz P10F based on my experience kanina, earlier. First 200 rounds. By the way, what we used, ammunition that we used earlier is the CCI Blazer. Actually, it's here with me. So first, I'll start with the grip texture. So it's very aggressive. Medyo sumakit yung kamay ko. But the good thing about it is that hindi mo siya mabibitawan kahit sweaty yung hands mo. And for me, you don't have to change the grip texture anymore. Yan. Then, tsaka very natural yung paghawak mo sa kanya. Natural yung grip sa kanya. Tapos yung point of aim niya rin. If you have watched the videos earlier, meron lang mga na-miss kasi it's my first time using a Cz. Most of the time, what I'm using is Glock. So, ayun. But I find it hard to do slide lock and slide release. So, hindi talaga. Ayaw niya talaga. So, kailangan ko siyang ganunin para mag-lock siya. Ay, mag-release siya. And then, kung ilalock ko man siya, try the front serration. Hindi ko siya talaga kaya. So, yun yung naging challenge sa akin kanina. I have to ask help or I have to have an empty magazine for me to be able to lock the slide. Yun. So, last thing is that the trigger pull. Kanina, when you pull the trigger above, hindi siya mag-engage. So, dapat andito lang talaga yung kamay mo para mag-engage siya. Tanan! There we go. Tapos, kasi muna natin. Yan. If you would notice, ayan o, slack, wall, and then, break na. Wala na siyang creep. Ulit. Slack, wall, break. Saka. Slack, wall, break. Diba? Walang kahirap-hirap. But anyway, yun lang. I just wanted to share my first impressions using the Cz P10F. And if you would like me to create a video comparing Cz P10F and Glock 17 Gen 5, you can comment it down below. So thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Bye.